In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a common issue where Steam games don't fit the screen properly. This can be really frustrating, but don't worry, we'll walk through the solution together in just a few minutes. First, we're going to start by opening up your File Explorer. You can do this by simply clicking on the folder icon in your taskbar or searching for File Explorer in the Start menu. Once you have that open, let's navigate over to this PC. There you'll see a list of your drives. We're going to focus on the Windows C drive, so go ahead and click on that. Now in your C drive you'll find a lot of folders. The one we want is Program Files x86. So click on that folder and you'll see a list of all your installed applications. Our target here is the Steam folder, so find that and click it open. From there you'll want to head into Steam Apps. Think of this as the heart of your game files. Once you're in Steam Apps, click on Common. This is where all of your Steam games are stored. Next, locate the game that's giving you trouble with the screen fitting. Open the folder for that game. What we're looking for inside is the application file. It should be the one with the game's logo or icon next to it. Right click on this application file. In the menu that pops up, select Properties. This will bring up a window with several tabs. You'll want to click on the Compatibility tab. Once you're in the Compatibility tab, we have a few things to check. First, find the option that says Disable Display Scaling on High DPI Settings and make sure it's checked. This prevents Windows from messing with the way the game is displayed based on your screen settings. Next, check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Running the game with admin privileges can help resolve several issues, including screen size inconsistencies. Another option to check here is Enable this program to work with OneDrive files. Checking this can be beneficial, especially if your game saves or files are associated with OneDrive in any way. After you've checked these boxes, make sure to click Apply and then OK to save your settings. Now let's move on to Steam itself. Exit out of everything and fire up your Steam client. Open up the game again and see if the display issue is resolved. With these adjustments, your game should now properly fit your screen. If you followed these steps closely, you'll likely find that your screen fitting issue is a thing of the past. Thanks for tuning in and happy gaming.